Welcome to the Proceedings podcast. I'm Bill Hamblet, the editor-in-chief of Proceedings at the U.S. Naval Institute. Good to have you on board, everybody. We're doing something a little different with episodes from the Surface Navy Association's annual symposium this year. We're often at events such as WEST, SNA, Tailhook, Modern Day Marine, the Naval Submarine League, but we've never interviewed people from the defense industry. These big conventions are a place where military and industry meet and interact, so we've decided to ask a number of companies to talk about their businesses. This episode is brought to you by Blue Cross Blue Shield Dental Coverage. I can't help myself from smiling right now. That's because I have Blue Cross Blue Shield FEP Dental. I pay no deductible for in-network services. Preventive care is fully covered, including 3 cleanings a year. Plans start as low as $20 a month. Learn more at bcbsfepdental.com. Welcome back to SNA. I'm Bill Hamblet, the editor-in-chief of Proceedings, and for our second day of industry interviews, I've got Dan Dunaway from ManTech. He is the Navy Maritime Division Manager from ManTech, up at Crystal City from Virginia Beach. And so, Dan, just tell us a little bit about ManTech and the business that you do with the Navy. The types of contracts that you know, and ways that ManTech supports the Navy.
Sure. Well, thanks, Bill, for having us. This is a great opportunity for industry to come and interact with the Naval Institute, just be a part of Surface Navy Association here together. ManTech is a 52-year-old company, and our first contract was Navy. So we've been a maritime business from the beginning. We've been very focused on advanced technology solutions. Bringing digital to the mission is our goal, and we're involved with the Navy at all levels, from new acquisition programs all the way to fleet sustainment and integration. So we focus on areas like advanced cyber, automation, data analytics, systems and software engineering, and enterprise mission IT are our big focus areas.
Got it. So ManTech doesn't build something that floats on the water, but it sounds like the old BASF commercials. We don't make something; we make it better.
We try and make it better. Readiness is our focus. We want to make sure that we can contribute to the fight by improving Navy's readiness of platform systems and personnel.
Got it. So Proceedings readers and podcast listeners are very familiar with information warfare challenges, cyber warfare challenges, Chinese cyber capabilities, particularly PLA cyber capabilities are big. How specifically does ManTech support Navy in the cyber realm?
So we have been in cyber for a very long time, and we have capabilities that really span the whole cyber domain. So from we really don't use offensive and defensive anymore, but we really are across the whole domain. So we spend a lot of time in the intelligence space with intel agencies both in and outside of DoD, but within DoD and specifically within Navy, we have advanced cyber capabilities in both the policy-based side from the risk management framework and automating that capability to try and do things faster with better integrity. And we're also in the actual physical defense of networks, supporting the fleet at the TICOM level with integrating advanced cyber tools and processes to help really at the tactical edge take these capabilities and employ them right where the warfighter needs them.
So is that specific people that are plugged into like the 10th Fleet staff or the 5th Fleet, 2nd Fleet staff as experts, subject matter experts, or is it specific processes and capabilities that ManTech brings, or is it both?
It's actually both. We have a group in the provider enterprises, for instance, NAVC 03 Charlie. We are working on cyber capability to go out from the type commander down into the fleet, and then we have people in those fleet TICOM staffs to help the commander and their staff understand what capabilities are available, what can we really employ here, both shore and sea commands. So we have them in surface forces, air forces, sub forces, expeditionary. We have it pretty well surrounded from that perspective.
Are you getting a steady, consistent demand signal from the customer?
We are. It's really important that the customer clearly articulate, through well-defined requirements. We want to partner, or mission partner. We want to come alongside the warfighter and make sure that we're delivering.
For our listeners who might be thinking, okay, can you give me a specific example? Like, what's a project or a specific thing that ManTech is? The customer or the Navy has said, here's a problem, and then you've said, okay, here's how we're going to fix it. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Well, there's a simple one. We had a customer that Nav Air that was effectively trying to transition volumes and volumes, thousands and thousands of pages of technical documentation from paper to digitized format. So we had a vision for what that looked like. We found a small business that had a capability that does that translation with incredible accuracy and integrity. So we found out that bringing this together and offering that to our customers was a huge difference maker.
Well, as an editor and as somebody who's worked with things that are scanned documents, I can say that is not an easy thing to do, and doing it accurately is incredibly important. So, great example. So, what are you looking to get out of SNA?
Well, this is a great opportunity to engage with our customer audience. Some folks here at OpNav, locally, but they also bring, obviously, surface forces and systems commands. You can get your NAVSEA representation, and really all the systems that contribute to the surface domain, which is all. So it's a great environment. They make a lot out of 3 days here, and it's really valuable for us just to connect. We're here to talk and understand what the requirements look like, what's the vision of our leadership, and we need to start to tailor our offering to make sure we can meet that demand signal.
Awesome. Well, any parting shots?
No, this is a great opportunity.
Okay.
Thanks so much.
Well, thanks for stopping by the booth.
Absolutely.
Great to meet you.
Great to meet you.
All right, take care.
That wraps up another episode of the Proceedings podcast, brought to you by Blue Cross Blue Shield FEP Dental. I can't help myself from smiling right now. That's because I have Blue Cross Blue Shield FEP Dental. I pay no deductible for in-network services. In-network preventive care is fully covered, including 3 cleanings a year, and plans start as low as $20 a month. Learn more at bcbsfepdental.com. If you enjoy the show, like us, subscribe to our channel, tell your friends, become a member at usni.org/join. And until next week, remember, victory begins at the Naval.